This is the vintage Nixie tube clock. I was involved in the circuit design and programming. These clocks are offered by Nubitron, where I worked in the past. In this video, I'll go through the clock features and configuration. The slight display flickering effect is just a consequence of the camera frame rate. It's not perceived in real life. The clock is full of animations like this one, executed when the clock turns on and when the menu button is pressed. An animation is executed every minute. A different animation happens every 10 minutes and a different one every hour. This is the slot machine. Random numbers are displayed and every tube stops at the proper time digit. This is the waterfall animation. It combines individual tubes fading levels with random numbers to create a cascading effect. This is the wave animation. Digits light up in the same order they are stacked in the tube, with a delay between neighboring tubes creating sort of a wave effect. It is better appreciated by looking at the tubes from the side. The intro animation can also be seen from the side. The 10 minutes animation is a bit weird. Random numbers are displayed but with different transition speeds for each tube. The hour animation is like the wave animation, but all tubes light up with the same digit. The menu button enters the menu list. With the up and down buttons, any menu option can be chosen. The first option is to change the clock time. Minutes or hours can be increased one by one or with fast increment. The tube's color is a signal of AM or PM. The second option is to change the alarm time. It is done in the same way the time is changed. The third option enables or disables the alarm. The alarm time can also be checked in the clock display mode by pressing the middle button. The fourth option toggles 12 or 24 hours mode. The fifth option changes the per minute animation. It can be waterfall effect, the slot machine effect, or the wave effect. The digit 4 means a combination of all of them. The sixth option changes the alarm theme. Some themes included a progression of the major scale, Star Wars main theme, the Imperial March theme, Super Mario, the US anthem, a classic vallenato, or a default tone. Once in the clock display mode, it can be reset to factory state by pressing all three buttons at the same time. The clock won't work and the internal backup battery will be preserved for much longer. The circuit board includes a power and status LED that blinks once per second. It is used to signal different things in different moments, and it helps when debugging. Lastly, the clock includes serial communication pins RX and TX to report status, test results, or warnings. Any 5-volt serial to USB adapter can be used to check the messages. A bunch of firmware testing features are also implemented to diagnose the whole circuit. These are managed via the serial port. For more information, go to the project website or the blog post linked down below. You will find firmware and hardware resources and further explanations. Thanks for watching.